Custom Camp. Welcome back to our channel. Well, today I will be making plain cake, old-fashioned plain cake. The reason why I said old-fashioned because this is the cake my parents used to make when I was a child. The only difference is they used to be beating the butter and the sugar on the hand, and I'm going to use a hand mixer. So in this bowl I have 2 cups of sugar, white sugar, and 1 loaf spread butter. It's 250 grams, so I'm just gonna add the butter in. So I'm going to use the hand mixer and combine the butter and the sugar until you can't feel the sugar grain. So guys, I'm going to scrape down the sides. I have 4 eggs here. I'm going to add them in one by one. So in this bowl I have 3 cups of flour. So I'm going to add some salt. Just a little bit. I'm gonna add some baking powder. I kind of don't know how to use measurements, so I just eyeball. This one. Just add a little bit more. Some vanilla essence. So instead of milk, I will be using orchard orange juice, 1 cup. Hey guys, I am finished, and I did forget to mention my daughter is also in the room. She's with me. She's making chocolate cake. Srini, how are you doing over there? Good. I have two pan here that I already greased and floured. Just gonna put my butter mixture in. So guys, we're just going to put the cake now in the oven. The oven is already preheated. So it's my daughter chocolate cake. So we're just gonna wait until they're finished. Hi guys, this is the finished product. As you know, I made a plain cake and my daughter made the chocolate. So now I'm going to taste it to see if it tastes like how it tastes many years ago. Same taste. So now I'm going to taste my daughter's cake. She's not tasting it, so she can't do it. This is her cake. She did a really good job, guys. Really chocolatey, rich, really nice. So thank you guys. We have reached the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate it. Bye.